Alright, what's up guys? My name is Dylan Shortness. I go by Shorty HVAC, and this is a day in the life of an HVAC installer. That was cringe. Alright, so I'm headed out to the job here. I got the phone on a stand, you know, hands-free. I'm paying attention to the road. I figured I'd just make this video specifically on a day in the life of an HVAC installer. You know, some days we have it easy, some days we don't have it easy. Today I would consider it pretty easy. All right, put my seatbelt on, I get it. Today I would consider it pretty easy. It was a fight getting the indoor coil out, but an uncased indoor coil with a condenser right on the side of the house. It doesn't get much easier than that. So anyways, take you on, I'm gonna take you along the ride today, show you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and I don't know, maybe even some service calls because we got a busy schedule and I'm on call, so I'd rather do them at, 2 to 4 than after hours. Anyways, stay tuned. All right, let's see if there's any pressure on this thing. Okay, so we do have pressure, so I'm gonna pump it all into the unit, and we'll see how that goes. That was successful. 0 PSI, like 5 on that, and it's gone. All right, let's cut this thing loose. Breaking a sweat. The indoor coil is giving me a little bit of a fight. Taking a little break, but we're about to get it. Don't you worry. All right, well, as you can see, that thing is slanted. Obviously, it's gonna drain, but it's a condenser, so it doesn't need to drain. We're gonna make sure that thing, man, these chapped lips, I gotta stop licking them. Anyways, we're gonna go get some rock because I'm not digging into Narnia, not digging to China, not digging to the ocean. All right, enough. Let's go get some rock. All right, just got to Lowe's. We're gonna get some rock. I've been trying to drink more water. We got this whole thing full of water, so let's take a couple swigs. That's enough for the day. Oh, somebody said, Jake, I won't say your last name, I'll spare you. They said, good job, little man bun boy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say thank you. I appreciate the fact that you like the man bun, and thanks for telling me good job. All right, guys, let's go get some rock. Well, that just happened about 5 seconds ago. Not a good day at Lowe's. All right, we got the rock. We got the radio turned on because my radio doesn't work. Got the new van set up. Looking good. This used to be an R22 system, so we're gonna wash all the oils out. In this case, I'm gonna do it from the inside out. Got some paper towels, bucket to catch the oils. So I'll put some of this in there and then blow it out with some nitrogen. I mean, do I even have to say anything? Do I even have to say anything? Easy money. Okay, I'm grabbing the wet rag heat blocking putty, some actual wet rags. Well, they're about to be wet. Grabbing the torch. I put this little hook here. It's actually working out pretty nice. It doesn't hang from it. It just kind of keeps it in place. Rides pretty well. No straps. I like it. Okay, we got the wet rags. Caps off. Serrators are out. And we got the nitrogen flowing.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I guess I didn't turn this thing on. Brazed up. All right, we got it all brazed up. Leak checking it. 325. We'll give it about 20 minutes. All right, it's holding pressure. We're gonna put it on the pump. I'm taking my power for my disconnect. I don't really want to show how I did that because you really need to know what you're doing. You can either hurt yourself or you could fry the motor from this pump. A lot of different things, so not showing that, but that's what I'm doing. There's videos online. You can learn how to do it. Anyways, let's put it on the pump. All right, guys, while it's on the pump, we're gonna get okay, let's try that again. While that's on the pump, we're gonna go get some drain fittings. They use CPVC, I'm gonna use PVC. There's a couple fittings that'll adapt it. You'll see, whatever. We're gonna go get it and come back, put it on, start it up, we'll be done. It was already below 500 when I was leaving, so we'll see how low it is when we get back. All right. Oh yeah, we're loving that. Isolated from the pump. All right, it's been 5 minutes at least, so we're good there. Close it. All right, got this all tidied up. I'm gonna release the charge liquid line first and start this thing up. Well, I forgot to get a video of what the inside looked like. It doesn't look great here. Actually, hold on, I can show. There it is. It doesn't need a downflow. I used a lot more tape than I normally do. My iPad is whatever. What I meant to say is it doesn't need a trap, even though it's a downflow, because it's not a pull through, whatever. I'm not here to teach you. something. I don't even know. We're going back to the shop to get the trash and the coil and the condenser off my van, and then we're gonna go run a service call. So, and then I think another one after that, I'm not sure. But this one's like 30 minutes away, and it's actually kind of close to my house. So maybe if it was my last one and I have everything on the van to complete it, that'd be sick. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, we're pulling up. It's at a library, so no cooling. We're gonna check for indoor blower motor. If that's on, we'll move our way to the condenser, check for our 24 volts, and go from there. So let's hope it's a capacitor. Okay, we do have blower. We're gonna go check out the condenser. All right, we've got a condenser fan. I don't hear a compressor. Take this panel off, check out this capacitor. 40 UF, reading nothing. Hold on, reading 11. Well, the new cab didn't matter because the compressor is shot. So, I don't know where the date is, but needs a new one. All right, guys, well, guess we're not getting so lucky today, and neither is the customer. I thought it was gonna be a bad capacitor. It was reading nothing, and then it was reading 11, and then it was reading nothing. Swap out the capacitor, keep troubleshooting, compressor is shot. The resistance on the windings, on the terminals, it's been a long day. I don't even want to explain myself. I just don't. Compressor is shot. They need a new unit. We're going to sell them one. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And it's getting windy. Make sure you hit that sub button. My hair's gone crazy. We need a shower. We need the gym. All right, let's get some food in the system as well. All right, guys. Peace.